A fully automated pick and place system with a stamp, Project 1. The system is fully automated and operated without the intervention of an operator. The power on button turns on the system, but the automation does not start until the start button is pressed. The start button has a start light to show that the start is active. The system can only be stopped when the stop button is pressed or the emergency stop is pressed. So let's start the system by clicking on the start button. When the start button is clicked, the system starts and the part is released to the pickup station where the pick and place picks up the part and takes it to the weighing scale. From the weighing scale, it is then sent down to the part stamp station where the stamp station stamps the part and releases it away. So at the stamp station, the part is being stamped, and then after being stamped, it is released. There's a green light that shows here. It comes on when there's a part at the stamp station. So we're going to say it. The green light comes on and it will go off once the part leaves the stamp station. The yellow light is going to come on once the part is stamped to show that a part has been stamped. So it's going to come on and it's going to go off once the part leaves the part stamp station. So this process goes over and over, on and on again. The process can only be stopped when the stop button is pressed or the emergency stop button is pressed. That's only what will stop the system. So let's stop the system by pressing the stop button. So the system is then stopped when the stop button is pressed, and it's going to start back once the start button is pressed. So it goes on over and over again. Then to stop the system, we can also use the emergency stop button, which will also stop the system when pressed. So let's see that. So the emergency stop will stop the system. Thank you.